Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create this quick and easy but cute bookmark. I personally love reading a lot of books and I often make a lot of bookmarks for myself. So I thought why not make a video out of it so that you can do it at home. If you want to know how to create this bookmark, then please keep on watching. So to begin with, you need two different colors of cards and I've chosen to go with brown and ivory. I've sorted out what kind of decoration I wanted on this white strip. So I thought of going with a simple floral design. As I've cut out simple flower designs using my shape cutter machines, like you can get them from stationery. And what I did is I took a red card and I just simply cut out the shape like this. And I've added a little pearl at the center to add a little detail to the flower without making it look too flat. So the other thing what I've done is I've punched actually two holes in these two cards because I want to put in a thread, a jute thread later on once the tag is finished, so that you can hang the threads out of your book so that it will be easy for you to mark where's your pages. So for that I've used another shape cutter. Make sure you cut them individually first, otherwise it will get harder for you to punch a hole through them because they'll become stiff once you stick them together. Let's just begin with the process. I'm going to work on the floral design first and then later on I'm going to stick it with the base. So to begin with, I'm going to simply start sticking the flowers onto the white patch here. I'm using a glue stick. You can use any glue stick that you have. So once you have stuck all of them on the white card here, it should look something like this. I've just simply followed my mind. I didn't choose the pattern or anything. I just randomly stuck them. Now as you can see, there are little bits of petals that are sticking out. If you want, you can leave them like this, but I prefer to cut the edges off. Otherwise, it's gonna, just pull off the flower in the future once you start using the bookmark. So I'm going to carefully cut out the edges. So now as you can see, it looks more polished and put together. I like adding details to my projects. I feel like they add more depth and it looks nice at the end. So I've cut out these tiny little leaves using a green color craft paper, and I'm going to stick one leaf to each flower to make it look more colorful and beautiful. Once you're done with it, it should look something like this. I like the color combination of the red and green over the ivory color, so it looks more colorful. As you can see, there are a few bits and pieces sticking out of the corners. I'm going to trim them off. I'm going to stick this on top of the brown card base, leaving edges like this because I'm going to add in a little more details later on once I'm done sticking these two. So I'm going to do that and I'll be right back. Once you're done sticking the base, you should have something like this. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to add stitch marks on this brown border. Just a little more detail to make the bookmark look more attractive. So once you're done with that, it should look something like this. And then it's time to add the thread onto the bookmark. I'm going to put in the thread like this. I'm going to create a loop and then just going to pull the other ends through this. So there you have it, a bookmark ready, and you can actually create your own bookmark using different kinds of patterns, colors, materials. So yeah, let me know how you like this video, and please give it a huge thumbs up, and also do not forget to subscribe to my channel for more content on crafts and makeup. You can follow me on Instagram at NeetaBN. So I hope you really enjoyed it. Stay happy and excellent, guys. Bye.